What's up, guys? It's Polix here again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, you want to subscribe. You know why? Because in this channel, I am documenting my journey to becoming profitable without paying for mentorship. Yes, you heard me right. I'm actually going on a journey, trading Forex, like trading the financial market, without actually paying for any mentorship. I have been learning Forex trading through watching YouTube videos and reading books. So, do you think I can actually be profitable? Well, if you want to know, all you just have to do is subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification icon so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and leave a comment also. So today it is the 6th of May 2025 and it is Tuesday over here. I couldn't record in the morning because I won't lie, I was having a lazy morning. But aside that, the network was very bad. As in, the network was terrible. I won't say the network was quite bad. It was very bad over here. But the network is better now, and the network gets okay right on time, and I was able to take a trade. My first trade for the week was actually a win. Let me take you guys to the chart. So the trade I took this morning was on GPP and on this trade, if you can look clearly on my chart, I was actually initially I was waiting for the market to come over to this support, which I had marked. You can see my arrow here, which I had already marked up, but I noticed that the market kept rejecting at this zone. I noticed that the market kept rejecting at this price zone over here, and I noticed that okay, there is a strong support over here because the market has rejected off it twice already, and this is the third time. So what I just did was that I went to my 15 minutes time frame, and I noticed that the market was creating a higher high and higher low, and all I had to do was connect my trend line, and I waited for a third touch. I waited for a third touch on the trend line, and immediately the market gave that third touch and gave this strong bullish candle. I entered for a buy and target 1:2. Last week I made a huge mistake by allowing greed take over, and instead of me targeting my 1:2, I targeted 1:3, which made me lose the opportunity of making 2% last week. So I didn't want to, you have to learn from your mistake. So I targeted just 1:2, and the market hit my 1:2. Though this market hit 1:3 as TP, as you can see, it hit 1:3 as TP, but I am not playing that game anymore. I'm just going to stick to my 1:2 risk to reward. So that is how I caught this trade. So hopefully this week started at a good on a good note. So hopefully we will keep on the pace like that, and we'll end this week profitable. It's been long. It's been over a month plus now that I ended a week profitably. Like, it's either I end the week in loss or I end the week at break even. Hopefully this week will break that course, because I'm going to call it a course. This week is going to break that course. So I don't really have, today is gone already. I don't really have much going on today anymore, but hopefully by tomorrow, if I see a setup, because I got my eyes on gold, so hopefully tomorrow I'm going to see a setup on gold and also GBP and I'm going to take it. So but till then, peace. Okay, what's up, guys? It's 6:35 a.m. right now, and it is Thursday. I couldn't record yesterday, Wednesday, because I'm actually having a really busy week. So, but I took a trade yesterday. Nevertheless, I took a trade. I took a trade on GBP which went 1:1. In fact, even more than 1:1, but ended up reversing and hit my break even. So yesterday's trade ended in break even. But so it's no problem. Not every trade we hit take profit, but so far so good. This week I've not had any loss, so I'm in profit this week, and hopefully today I'll see a setup, but if I don't see a setup, fine. But if I see a setup, hopefully the setup will be a win. um as you can see, I'm all dressed already. I have a job that I'm going for, EP15 job. So I'm going to keep you guys updated anyhow it is. So but it's 6:35 a.m. right now, and I have to hit the road as early as possible so I can get to the site early, do my thing and leave early. So catch you guys later.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder.
What's up, guys? It's Friday right now, and it is the 9th of May 2025. We've come to the end of another trading week. I'm very sorry, guys, I couldn't record yesterday. After I left for work, like I told you guys, after I left for work, I was having a very busy day. In fact, I have one of the longest day I have had in a long time yesterday. But anyway, despite working, I was able to take 2 trades yesterday, and the first trade I took, in fact, the 2 trades were on GBP USD, but the only difference was that the first one was a buy, while the second one was a sell. The 2 trades I took yesterday, one ended in loss, and the second one ended in profit. The one that ended in loss, like, I took the setup, not know I don't know if it was because of I was having quite a busy day, so it skipped my mind. So I didn't that morning, I didn't check the economic calendar. I didn't check if we were going to be having news that very day. And there was a news that was scheduled to hold by 12:30, which was I think jobless claims. Yeah, jobless claims. And I took this buy opportunity on GPS, which I have been waiting for, and the market was going smoothly. It was going my way, but when the news came out, it's just one candle, the market just went down, hit my stop loss, and went back to my direction. In fact, the market almost hit my. In fact, it hit my tip. It hit my tip, but it stopped me out first before going. Then why the second trade was a sell, which I took later on yesterday during the New York session, and the market went my way, and I recovered the loss that I made from that morning trade and ended yesterday in profit. So, but let me show you guys. Let me go into the chat and show you guys. So this is the first trade, or this was the first trade I took this week. This buy on GBP USD. Was the first trade I took this week, and this was the second trade I took this week, which went 1:1, as you can see, and reversed and hit my break even. I didn't take this loss because when the market, how I trade, once the market gets to 1:1 or more than 1:1, I break even. So immediately this market hits more than 1:1, because this market hits more than 1:1, I had already broken even before it came back down and hit my break even. Why this was the trade I was telling you guys about yesterday. This was the trade I was telling you guys about yesterday. This one. You see, I entered this trade on this support because I saw this W pattern. I never knew that there was a news coming up, and the market was already going my way. And before the news came out, and the market flashed down, created this wick, which hit my stop, which took me out, and boom, went up. You can see that the market almost smashed my take profit. As you can see, the market almost hit my take profit, but nevertheless, later during New Year session, I was able to catch this sell on GBP USD, which smoothly went and hit my take profit. So far so good. This week was a wonderful week. Like, it was a very wonderful week. So far so good. This week I was able to take 4 trades, and in these 4 trades I had 2 wins, one break even, and one loss. So far so good. This week was a very wonderful week. In fact, this is one of the nicest trading week I have had in a long time. And it's amazing. Honestly, I feel good. I feel like there is progress. Today being Friday, I wasn't able to take any trades. No setup, no trades. So I didn't see any setup in the market. So I didn't take any trades. But the amazing thing was that all 4 trades I took this week was just on GBP USD. Was just on only one pair, and I came out profitably. Hopefully next week will be a wonderful one. Next week will be better and better and better. So if you are watching me till this time, my name is Polix. I'm documenting my journey to becoming profitable without paying for mentorship. So please, I want you to join me on my journey. I want you to join my community by hitting that subscribe button. If you're watching my video and you've not smashed that subscribe button, I don't know what you're waiting for. Smash that subscribe button, join my community, and watch me become profitable without paying anyone for mentorship. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification icon, so you will even be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to also like and at least leave a comment. Just leave a comment, like and leave a comment. So we go again next week. See you again. Bye.